Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to change the crosshair color in AutoCAD. So let's get started. First, type OP into the command line and press Enter. Over here, this opens the AutoCAD Options menu. Then, navigate to the Display tab. After that, locate the Colors option within the Display settings. Over here, click on Colors to open the customization window. Then, select 2D Model Space from the available options. After that, choose Crosshairs from the Elements list. Over here, select the Crosshair section for editing. Then, pick a color from the preset palette. After that, you can also use RGB values for custom color selection. Over here, adjust the red, green, and blue sliders or enter exact RGB values. Then, experiment until you find the perfect crosshair color. After that, confirm your selection and close the options window. Over here, your new crosshair color will now be visible in the workspace. Then, continue working with improved visibility and display settings. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.